Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Our topic is about understanding fraction. So as you can see here in the screen, these are the things that you will see later while our class is going on. So once again, my name is Teacher Gwapo. I'm your math teacher in grade 3 MEP class. So fractions. Objective in this chapter, you will understand a fraction. You must understand what fraction is. And then you must know how to convert fractions to a common denominator. And you must know how to compare and arrange the sequence of the fractions. And lastly, you will know how to add and subtract fractions. So we will start here. The first objective that we have here to understand what fraction is. Okay, iPhone, you are not Samsung now. You are A12. Okay, turn. Okay, here we go. Understanding fraction. What is fraction? I think you are done this already in your Thai class. What is fraction? Anyone? We will ask A12. What is fraction? I'm sure you have this already in your Thai class, right? You are done this already. Okay. Anyone who can help A12 or third? US, maybe US can help third. US, what is fraction? Okay, because this will be a part of your final test, I might ask you, what is fraction? So when we say what is fraction, it says here that fraction is a part of a whole. Okay, let's say maybe some of you likes to eat pizza, right? So a pizza, maybe the pizza, it depends upon the size of the pizza, but if you order a small one, okay, if you order a small size of pizza, it is divided into 4, right? Sliced into 4 parts. So later we will give more examples so that you will fully understand what fraction is. So a fraction is a part of a wall, okay? So if you have a paper there, you can take a paper and then you fold it, okay? You fold into equal parts, okay? So let's say, for example, you have there an A4 paper. So if you have an A4 paper, just fold it into half, okay? Equal parts, right? So these are one whole paper. And then I just fold it just like this, okay? So I will fold the paper. So number of equal parts is 2, right? And then if you look at here, the other part is shaded. One part of the paper is shaded. So first is one whole, and then you can see here 2 equal parts, and one part is shaded, which is color green. So fraction of shaded parts here is like 1/2. Okay, the half of the paper is shaded. So we call this, the number 1, we call it as numerator, and the number 2 is called denominator. So don't forget in your final test, don't forget this one. The number 1 is called numerator. And then the number 2 here that you can see here is called denominator. So don't forget these 2 words, numerator and denominator, okay? As you can see here, fraction is a part of a whole, right? So this is, let's say, for example, this is a pizza. You can see here 1/3, right? 1/3. Why 1/3? In the whole part, one part here is shaded. So 1 out of 3. 1, 2, 3. Divided into 3, right? So we have here 3 parts. And then one part is shaded. In here, you can see here 7, 10. Why 7, 10? There are 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have here the denominator here is 10. Why is it 7, Captain? This is 7 because 7 parts are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we call it 7/10. Here 1/3 because one part is shaded and there are 3 parts. Here 7/10 because 7 parts is shaded and there are 10 parts. Okay, hope you understand here. Here, why is it 3/4? Why is it 3/4? Because you can see here, the number 3 here is the numerator. Okay, number 3 here is the numerator, the number of parts of a wall. See here, 1, 2, 3. So we have here 3. Why is it 4? Because there are 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts. We have here the denominator is 4. 3 is the numerator. 1, 2, 3. Okay. The parts of a wall. 1, 2, 3. Here, denominator. The total number of parts in a wall. Here, you can see here 3, 4. The number 4 here is the denominator. So these are the words that you must remember in our test, because in final test, it will come out. Numerator, denominator, fractions, and then factors. So the factors here are 2 numbers that multiply to make another number, because we need to find a common denominator, especially when we add numbers. Okay. Let's say, for example, here, more examples for you. Here, this is a 1 whole. If we will divide it into 2, we have 1/2. So half is shaded. Okay. So 1 part is shaded here. So that's why we have here 1, 2. 2 parts, 1 is shaded. Here, 1/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts. 1 part is shaded. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 3/4 because 3 parts are shaded. Okay. You can see here number 4 denominator because there are 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts. Okay. So we have here 4. 3 because 3 parts are shaded. Okay. Now here, in later we will answer your book. What is, in the example, you can see here that number 1 is the numerator, right here, number 1. And number 3 here is the denominator. Okay, denominator. Now, A12, iPhone. What is the numerator in letter A? Numerator in letter A. 2 or 5? 2. Very good. 2. So the numerator is 2 and the denominator is?
5.
5. Very good, boy. Very smart. Thank you. And let us, who is here? Guide. Letter B. What is the numerator?
Letter B is 3.
3. Denominator is?
7.
7. Very good. Very easy, right? It's very easy. Nana. Nana, letter C. What is the numerator? Hello, Nana. Okay, please. Okay. Now letter C. What is the numerator? Okay. It's called Mina. Mina, what is the numerator here? Letter C. Sorry?
9.
Okay, number 9. And denominator is?
11.
11. Thank you. Now, Nana, here, you will know that this is the numerator. You can see the number on the top. That's called the numerator. And the number at the bottom is called denominator. Numerator and denominator. So 2, numerator. And then 5 or 5th is the denominator. Here, 3 and 7. 3 numerator, 7 is denominator. 9 numerator, 11 is denominator. Okay, it's very easy. Now here, everybody, get your book, get your workbook. Next, letter C. Letter C, 2/4. So you will divide into 4 parts, just like this in letter B, 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts, right? So you will divide also in letter C, you will divide into 4 parts, but you will shade 2 parts. So like this. 2 parts is shaded. Okay, finish. Letter D. letter D. Letter D is 3/8. So you will divide the circle into 8 parts. Okay, you'll divide into 8 parts and then you will color. Okay, and then you will color 3 out of 8. So divide into 8 parts. So it's just like this. So you will divide into 8 parts. So maybe like this here. 1, and then divide here, another line here, 2, another here, 3, and then 4. Now 8 parts already, right? That is 8 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then color 3 parts. Color the 3 parts here. Okay. I think finished already. Okay, I will erase this one. So you are done already in A, B, C, and D. It's very easy. As you can see here in letter A, 1/2. So out of the whole part, divide into 2, shade the half part. Here, 1/4. There are 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 part is shaded. Here, 2/4. So out of 4 parts, 2 parts are shaded. In here, 3/8. Out of 8 parts, 3 parts are shaded. So in letter E, 6/8, 8 parts, 6 parts are shaded. So you have to shade the 6 parts. And letter F, it's 7/8, 7/8. So you will shade 7 parts out of 8. Okay. Now here we go. As you can see here, circle 2/3 of the tuk-tuks. 2/3 tuk-tuks. So the denominator here is 3. So this means that there are 3 tuk-tuks all together. So the numerator is 2. So just encircle 1 and 2. Okay. So out of 3 tuk-tuks, encircle the 2 tuk-tuks here. Here in your book, page 83, we are now in number 3. Circle the 3 of the macaws, 3/5, right? So there are 5 macaws, so encircle the 3 parts. So 1, 2, and 3. So out of 5, encircle the 3 macaws. So 3/5. Okay, finish. Now let's proceed. Letter B. Circle 4/7 of the plates of pad thai. I love pad thai. One of my favorite food in Thailand. One of my favorite food in Thailand. I really love pad thai. So 4 out of 7 plates of pad thai. So 1 pad thai, 2 pad thai, and 3 pad thai, and 4 pad thai. So out of 7, encircle the 4 the 4 parts of 4 pad thai, 4 plates. So 4/7. We call it 4/7 because out of 7, 4 is being encircled in here. So that's it. Okay. So on Thursday, I will teach you how to convert fractions, because after we will convert, you will arrange the fractions. After you arrange, you will add fractions. So we will have addition and subtraction, and then we will have also a solving word problems. On Thursday, if we have enough time, I will try to discuss all, but if we cannot have it, I will make a video and then I will send it to you. What you can see in the book, that is the video that I'm going to do. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for being with Teacher Gwapo. Thank you for watching and listening in our class today. God bless everyone. Thank you.
Bye.
Goodbye, everybody. See you on Thursday.
Teacher, take